Good morning, students. How are you? I hope so you all are fine as I am standing in front of you. So, nowadays, are you doing studies really in a serious manner? It's needed because we will be start the class test as I told you earlier also, right? So, it may be conducted any day till now what we have done accordingly, right? It can be MCQ form, it can be solving form, any form it can be. You will be get the link and then you will be start to solve. Okay, today's topic is our exponents and powers, right? So before that, as I always told you the thought of the day. So today's thought of the day is our greatest weakness lies in the giving the most certain way to success is always to try just one more time. I am repeating, our greatest weakness lies in the giving the most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Okay, so always you have to try to do the things, right? As you are aware with the word exponents, our chapter 5 is exponents and exponents powers. Either we can say exponent or we can say powers. Okay, so do you know what is it? Exponents are superscripts, numeral. Superscript, you know what is it? If it is written a to the power 2, 2 is superscript, right? You have seen in computers also when you are doing anything in maths with the computer, so you will get this type of that is known as superscript. Exponents are superscript numerals that let you know how many times you should multiply a number by itself. Like if I am multiplying a 3 times, so what we can write? A cube, or superscript is 3 of a. So the number multiply itself, that is known as the exponent, right? And how many times we are multiplying, it's up to us. Some real world applications include understanding scientific scale is like pH scale. Have you heard the word pH scale? Now, not now, in 9th standard you will, through which you can find out the given substance, how much acidic, how much basic and how much it is neutral. That is pH. So, the scientists are use these type of, and Richter scale, like Richter scale where you have to use to measure, yes, to measure the intensity of earthquake, right? That's right. Scientific notation to write very large or very small numbers and taking measurements. Clear? So this is the way to use write the exponents. Now, what is the use of exponent in everyday life? Right. Exponent I told you. And if we are having two large numbers, if it is written 10 lakh, what is it? 10 lakh. Can we write it in exponent form? Yes. 10 to the power 6. So this is known as scientific notation. What we can say? Scientific notation. Clear, students? Geographists होते हैं who measure the activity of under the earth, they have to use, scientists have to use, write large or small numbers, we have to use sometimes scientists must use exceptionally large or small numbers. Scientific notation relies means विश्वास रखना on scientific notation or exponents, right? Taking measurement in one of the most common real world application of exponent involves taking measurement and calculating multiple dimensional quantities. इसमें हम multiple dimensional quantities को भी express कर सकते हैं. Area, when we are measuring the area of space in 2 dimensions, so you always measure what you are measuring in square units. we have to write down, if just I'm assuming my room length is 11 by 12 and I want to find out its area, what I will do? 132 centimeters square, right? This is also exponent, right? So in area, square feet, square meter, square centimeter, whatever. For instance, when you calculate the area of the garden bed using feet, you should provide the solution in the square feet or feet square by writing in the exponent, just like I have explained this, right? So similarly in the volume we can use. This is the way to use the exponents, right? What you will be write down in the introduction, that you can write in the introduction. Today I am just discussing what are exponents. There is no need to write down lots of things. Only this you have to write down. Clear? Now I am coming in your book. If the number is written, only whatever I am saying, that thing you have to write down in the notebook. I am going to erase the book. When the number is given, too big number is given, then we can write it in exponential form. How? If the number is written 3.3765 8000 and I want to write in short form, how we can write it? I can write, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, and I want to write in short form. So how will we write? There is nothing means I can write this. Is there any problem? No. Okay. I am shifting this decimal directly here. So how many places I am moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I write 3.7658 into 10 to the power 6? Can I write? Because from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 place we have to move. So this is the smaller number. Okay, 3.7658 into 10 to the power 6. Otherwise, if we are reading 8, so what it will be? 37,65,800. So we can write any number in scientific notation, that is known as exponents. Clear? If number is written 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is too big number. How many times? 6 times. So can we write 3 to the power 6 in short? If I am writing somewhere 3 to the power 6, what is the meaning? 3 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 9, this is 9, 9, 9. 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. If we are writing 729 or 3 to the power 6, both the things are same. Now student, if the number is written in this form, a to the power 6, right? A is known as base, 6 is known as exponent or power or index. If somebody is asking what is the index of, if it is written 3 to the power 7, what is the index? 7 is the index. What is the power? 7 is the power. What is exponent? 7 is the exponent. So all the three names, anything they are saying, you have to understand what is the meaning. This is this. Okay, superscript. I told you the word superscript. This is superscript. And this is always known as base. Suppose the question is minus 23 to the power 5. They are asking what is the index. So what will we write down? Index is 5, which is known as superscript also. Exponent, power, right? And base is minus 23, because this is negative number. So what will we write down? Base is minus 23. Clear? Don't get confused. Exponent, power, index. All the three names are used for the exponents or the powers. Clear, students? If the number is written in this form, a into a into a into a up to n times, can we write this a to the power n? Because we don't know how many times they are writing. They have written n times. What is it? N times. They are writing n times, means indefinitely they are writing. So we can say a to the power n, which is known as exponential form. we can say this is exponential form. Clear, students? I am telling you the basic concepts of exponents. Whatever we will be write down, we will be go for the next video. Okay, right now you have to understand the concept of exponents, nothing else. Right? Now next, if I am having the number 729. What is it? 729 if the number. And they are saying write it in exponential form. So how you will be write it? First we will be make its factor. 729. 9, 9, 18. The number is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1, 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. How many times 3 is occurring? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Can I write 3 to the power 6? This is the exponential form. Or we can write first 3 into 3 into 3, 6 and then equals to 3 to the power 6. So this is known as exponential form. Clear, student? One more thing I want to tell you, which is very important and always keep it in mind. If the number is negative, if the number is written negative, see this is written minus 5 and its power is odd number. Always its answer will be negative. Always its answer will be negative. Minus 125. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Keep it in mind, whenever base number is negative and power is odd, your answer will be negative. Instead of that, the number is negative and power is even number. That's right. So answer will be positive. What it will be? 125, 5s are 625. Right? The same number, negative number I have written with the odd number power with the even number power. So if the number is negative and power is even, your answer will be positive. What it will be? Positive. And if the number is negative, power is odd number, then your answer will be negative. I hope so this clear to you everyone. Student, if the number is like 5 to the power minus 4, we can't calculate the negative. Whenever we are having the negative power, we will make it positive. So how we make it positive? By taking its reciprocal. 1 by 5 to the power 4. Or we can write 1 upon 5 whole to the power 4. Always we have to write down the reciprocal of the number to make the exponent as positive, power as positive, index as positive. Clear? So we are having some laws of exponent. When the bases are same, power will be added. When the bases are same, in multiplication, like I have written 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. So answer according to the law, both the bases are same and power will be added. 2 to the power 3 plus 4. What it will be? 2 to the power 7. Means bases are same, powers are different, but bases are in multiplication. So the answer will be in the form of power addition. That's right. If instead of this is 4, okay, and this is 2, and the number is in division. When the bases are same or they are in division, so power will get subtracted. 4 minus 2. What it will be? 2 to the power 2. We are having the first two laws. When the bases are same and they are in multiplication, their power will be added. Second, when the bases are same and they are in division, power will get subtracted. If the number is written 3 to the power 2 upon 2 to the power 2, can we write 3 upon 2 whole power 2? These all are basic things which you will be follow in your chapter. Clear, students? So if the powers are written the same in numerator and denominator, we can write it. If the power is written 3 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 2, then we can't write. This is not 3 by 2 because the powers are same. In that condition, we can't write in this form. Only we can write in this form when the powers are same. Dear students, and if it is written, I am going to explain you one more method. If the number is written 3 square into 2 square upon 5 square into 3 to the power 3. If we don't know the exponential form and they are saying simplify, what we will be do? Do you know? Yes, we will be explain and then we can solve. The same thing, I want to tell you, if these numbers are in division, means what is the symbol? We are showing divide, right? So what we can do? 3 to the power 2. And this will be goes up into 3 to the power minus 3. And this is 2 to the power 2 as it is. And this is 5 to the power minus 2. Because we are writing only in numerator form. So what will we do? These two are same bases and they are in multiplication. So power will be added. 3 to the power 2 plus minus 3. Right? And this is 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power minus 2. If they are saying give in exponential form. So how we can write? 3 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power minus 2. And this is the exponential form. Instead of that, if they are saying simplify, then what you will be doing? 1 by 3 into 2 square into 1 by 5 square. Right? 3 to the power 1 means 3. So what it is? 5 5s are 25. 2 2s are 4 in numerator 4. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. This will be your answer. Student, this is the introduction of exponents and powers, right? But no need to do anything. This is the journal discussion related to the topic. Only your work is that you have to go through the book introduction. Read the chapter, okay? And as you are in 7th standard, the concept is totally new. So I have made this video only for the introduction, which basics are required. In your book, laws of exponents are given. Read them positively so that it will be easier to understand when we will be start the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.